Mommy, and this is Daddy, and this is the baby. It's a nice bird and beauty bag and egg and the steak. Wow, so nice. Welcome to Felish channel. Please subscribe, watch our video. Bye friends. I love you. Hi friends. Today we're gonna be making a bird's nest. So the things you need are coconut fiber, dried sticks, dried leaves, and eggs. These eggs are made by flour. Now I'm going to show you how to make the bird's nest. Now take some coconut fiber and roll it to make a nice straight line. Now roll it like this. The first layer. Now you take 3 of the sticks and then you put them like a V, and put a line over here. See? Then do a same layer like this one. Then keep the layer on top of the stick. Now take a little bit, a tiny little bit of the coconut fiber and put it in the middle. Take another 3 sticks and do the same like A. Going to show you how to make the bird for the nest. And you'll need a big circle for the body, a smaller circle for the head, the beak. For the beak, you just draw like a M and cut it out, and wing. For the wings, you draw it like this and cut it out. Now we need to fold the big circle in half. Glue it at the corner over here and put the small circle here. Then you take the wings and add the last part at the end here. Glue it and stick it here. Then do the same to the back side, just here and there, then paste it like this, and now we have to do the beak. So put a little bit glue over here because the beak is going to be small, and paste the end of the beak at the glue. And then we need the marker to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw the eyes up in there. We're going to do the tail. Just draw the tail like this And I've done it in this bird and this one. I've drawn it. And you have to cut it, color it, and paste it at the back edge of the bird. Now the birds and the bird's nest are ready. How is it? Is it nice or is it not nice? If it was nice, give a thumbs up. Look, this is a papa bird, a mama bird, 3 eggs, some leaves, and yeah, some sticks, and that's it. And this is the nest. Do you like it? Bye friends. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.